Okay, we got Dad here. Cody. He's in the mix playing with the puppies. And you got Emma, Cassidy, and Carly over there. There's Carly. There's Cassidy. Puppies are playing with the tennis ball, and the dog's gonna play with the tennis ball too. Get the ball, puppies. You're trying to take the ball from your puppy, Cassidy. I got a tennis ball. Carly! Carly likes to tear apart the toys. And Cody. You got a ball, Emma? Cassidy and Carly playing. Another puppy playtime video. Once again, these guys are 8 weeks old. They're ready for new home. We have 7 males and 3 females. There's the dad, Cody. Oh, he's eating the leftover puppy food. That's what he's doing. Carly. Are you cleaning your puppy? You're cleaning the puppy, Carly. How nice. Cassidy wants to play ball. Usually we have the yard completely open, but I like to keep the puppies on one side of the yard. Okay, we'll end it here. This is pretty common. Puppy likes getting the water dish and just lay there. And then get themselves all drenched. Okay.